Welcome to this lovely first floor coach home located in River Strand Golf and Country Club. This unit is being sold furnished. There's a specific inventory list available. And as you can see, it has a great formal dining room, a large great room area, which then spills over into this kitchen, which also has its own eating area. And tons of cabinet space. You've got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. And the owners have also added this extra cabinet piece here, which they're kind of using as like a little mini bar. As you look here, you can see one of the best features of this unit is this fantastic view. And as we head outside on this beautiful day here in Florida, you'll also notice how much space there is on this lanai. There's a lovely sitting area as well as room for dining. So what a beautiful view. This is facing south out the back. So you're gonna have a lovely sun. It's covered, but you're gonna have a beautiful sun coming in and a lot of natural light, and the sunset will be out to the west, and there is a custom shade here. So if the sun's too bright, you can close that. Heading over here into the master suite. This room is huge. As you can see, you've got sliders going back out onto the lanai. Fantastic views. This is a king size bed. All these custom linens, they're absolutely gorgeous. So plenty of room for furniture as well as storage, a desk area if you're working from home. We have the master bath area. So you have your private water closet, a linen closet, a walk-in shower, as well as a garden tub. And then we have the closets. So you have great walk-in closets on both sides here. So plenty of expansive closet space. And as we head on out, I love that this floor plan gives you tons of space, but it also gives you almost like a separate area in case you are having guests. So this is actually a pocket door, so this will close off. You have the full bathroom for your guests or to act as a powder room. And then you have the second and third bedrooms here. So they have these set up with twin beds. Again, custom linens, very tastefully done, as well as a queen size bed in this room. So you've got plenty of space. You could use these again for guests as well as a home office if needed. We've got our laundry room back here. They've added cabinets over the top. And then there's also a nice big garage space. He's got a workbench here. So excellent space for your Florida items. So this is a fantastic unit. Call me today if you would like to set up a showing or have your realtor call me. This one will go fast. As I said, it is being offered furnished, and there are some personal items that do not convey, but the majority of the items that you see do convey. So hurry, because I do not think that this one is going to last very long.